So how's it going, guys? My name is AJ and today I'll be doing an unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the TCL IPQ 55-inch P618, sorry. Iko na jina ndefu. It's 4K. The TV that we had here, ukiangalia, there's no, hakuna TV hapo. We had a 1080p. It's kinda old school, so we have upgraded to the TCL. I kinda like the TCL operating system. There is the TCL app. I'll be showing you how the TCL app works in this channel. Yeah, so today we are going to be unboxing the TCL 4K Ultra HD IPQ 618. Yeah, and some of the features that are written on the box, it has Google Play services, Netflix, Prime, Amazon Prime, TCL channel. I don't know what that is. This is the TCL Magic Connect. I'll show you the app in this channel, and it has also Bluetooth, so you can connect this TV to your music system via Bluetooth. No need to have cables. When I was buying, I already unboxed, so they just repacked. So some of the things you're going to see here are different from how it comes from the factory. Yeah, you know, in Kenya lazima confirm. You can have rocks inside. Yeah, the TV that was here was a 49-inch. So we have upgraded the size and also some features. And this TV is actually really cheap. I'll be telling you the price at the end of the video, so stay tuned. And where I bought it, you can get a very great discount. I bought it from a friend of mine. Yeah. Nikiangusha na warranty haikawi broken screens. Yeah, so guys, it's already out of the box. What you get inside the box, you get a remote, which is different from the previous remote. It came with batteries. I said I had to open it from there. It uses a manual. Some screws for the stand, and auxiliary cable. That's all you get from the box. And it also comes with two stands, but we're not going to be using them because I'll be mounting it on the wall. Yeah, so let me mount it, then I show you some features it has because I've not used it myself. Yeah, and then I'll talk to you later in about a week's time and tell you my review so far. Yeah guys, so I've already mounted the TV on the wall. So far I'm loving it. It's true 4K. For the price and for the picture quality you are getting, that's a very big plus for me. Let me show you some stuff it has. It's actually Android 9. It's Android 9. You can see Android 9. And it's the remote is very responsive. It has a Google Assistant mic over here, so you just pick You just pick and it does everything. I'm going to do a follow-up video on how I'm faring on with the TV in future. In about 2 weeks time I'll be doing a follow-up video. Yeah, so another thing, it has Netflix inbuilt, TCL, just some videos from YouTube, Prime Video, YouTube, and Google Play Store. That's a very huge plus. You can download any app you want, any Android app that you feel you want it on your TV. You can just add it over there. Yeah, and overall the picture quality is very, very sharp. Yeah, and that's that. And that has been the unboxing of the TCL 55-inch. I didn't get rid of all the papers. Yeah, so that has been all you need to know about the TCL unboxing. I'll be doing a follow-up video in future and telling you how it's faring on, if it start hanging or something like that. Yeah, so guys, I know this video is short. Yeah, I'm trying to post regularly. So guys, hope you enjoyed. Catch you guys in the next video, next unboxing or car review, or what, I might surprise you with something else.